Hey everyone, it's Paolo here. So in this video, I'm going to show you my affiliate marketing traffic agency tutorial and how you can promote your affiliate links or lead capture page link using the traffic source coming from Google Ads, YouTube Ads, and Facebook Meta Ads without you doing any work. So what I'll do is I will show you how to use this traffic agency, and then I'm going to show you what will happen once the campaign is live. So this is the blueprint. Now, for those of you who are brand new to this channel, my name is Paulo Beringel, and I teach people about how to make money online with affiliate marketing and paid advertising. So you want to make sure that you subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so you can get the updates whenever I post a new video. So this is my Facebook page as well, so you can follow me on my Facebook page, and the link will be in the description of the video. So let's go ahead and show you how to use this affiliate marketing traffic agency. So this video is specifically for you if you are an affiliate marketer, network marketer who is in the make money online space, make money online niche. And if you are struggling to get traffic from, get traffic to promote your affiliate links or lead capture page link, what I did due to the popular demand based on the messages that I got from my students and team members, I created this traffic agency. And what I did was I separated the traffic sources. So we have the different traffic sources. We have the Google Ads, we have the YouTube advertising, and we have the Facebook advertising. So basically what will happen is you can purchase these traffic packages. I broke it down into different traffic packages. And once you purchase the traffic packages, all you have to do is give me your affiliate link. And then once you give me your affiliate link, then I will be the one doing the promotion on your behalf. Or my team will be the one doing the promotion on your behalf. So let's go ahead and show you how this works. So what's important here is that you need to have a lead capture page link, which I recommend, or an affiliate link that you are promoting in the make money online niche. So let's say, for example, that you want to buy, let's say you want to get the traffic from Google Ads. What you can do, there are different packages that are available. So let's say, for example, if you type and search here, let's say Google Ads, okay, and then you hit enter. So the website will filter the different traffic source, so it will filter out the Google Ads, so it's easier for you to look at the packages. So again, guys, this is my traffic agency. So now you have the opportunity to get me to promote your link. Now you will see it here that the different packages available right now, we have this Google advertising. So we have this 200 buyers traffic campaign, Google Ads campaign and management. So we have the 200 buyers traffic, and that's a one-time payment of $500. Then we also have the 500 buyers traffic. It's a one-time payment of $1,000. And we also have the 1,000 buyers traffic, which is a one-time payment of $2,000. And you can also see the sale price, because right now it's a sale price. So this price that is crossed out, that is the price if you will be the one doing your own advertising, because as you would probably know, Google advertising is an expensive platform, and you can easily lose a lot of money with this platform if you don't know what you're doing. But if you want me to help you, I already have the existing campaigns, and all you have to do is pay the small fee, okay, and then I will redirect the traffic to your link. So these are the Google ad campaigns. And then let's go ahead and show you the YouTube ads. Okay, again, you type YouTube ads, and then it will filter out the campaigns. So again, I made it really simple. Again, I put it as 200 clicks buyers traffic. We have the 500 buyers traffic. We also have the 1,000 buyers traffic, and the same prices as well. And then the other option, if you wanna do Facebook ads, you can do that as well. So you search Facebook ads. Okay, so now it's Facebook or Meta ads. So again, we have the following options. We have the 200 buyers traffic, we have the 500 and the 1,000 buyers traffic. So depending on your preference, it's entirely up to you. So let's say, for example, if I go back to, let's say, Google Ads. So this is exactly how you can buy the traffic. So let's say Google Ads, right? There you go. And then you can also use this filter right here depending on your country, if you want to pay and if you want to see the prices in different currencies. So let's say if you want to go for Australia, it will convert automatically. Okay, so you will see the conversion right here. Now most of my customers, I know it's from the US, so I'm gonna go back to United States. There you go. So now it's by default it's in US dollars. So now let's say, for example, you want to purchase the 200 buyers traffic campaign Google Ads. And one of the things that it's easy as well is that if I delete the filter, everything is color coded. So green is Google Ads, red is YouTube Ads, and then blue is Meta or Facebook Ads. So let's say you want to buy the Google Ads, 200 clicks. All you have to do is click this button. Now the good news with this as well is that before, when I first launched this traffic agency, the only payment option that was available was PayPal. But now, if you go to the bottom of the website, you can see it here. We are currently accepting, so we are able to activate the other payment methods. So now you can pay using Amex, Google Pay or Apple Pay, Google Pay, Visa and MasterCard. You can pay via PayPal, Shop Pay and Union Pay, so it's pretty awesome. So now we have more payment options that are available. So if you click here, 200 buyers traffic, okay, so again it's $500 US, one-time payment, so you get a saving of $500 US. So if you want to do it yourself, you know, you have to spend at least $1,000, and you know, if you don't even know what you're doing, then you can easily lose that money. But if you want me to run your campaign, again, it's just $500 US, one-time payment, and I will redirect the traffic to your affiliate link. So this one right here, this package includes 200 buyers traffic campaign and management to your affiliate link or lead capture page. The traffic will be coming from Google Ads, and your campaign will be shown to people who lives in the top tier countries, US, Canada, UK, and Australia. So again, traffic source is Google Ads, and all you have to do here, really straightforward, to order the traffic, you can click on add to cart, and then you can click on view cart or checkout. So there's no technical stuff here. Basically, you just have to, it's almost like you're just doing like an online shopping, right? And then from here, you just basically complete the form. Okay, so let's just wait for this page to load. So there's express checkout available as well, so you can pay using Shop Pay, PayPal, or Google Pay if you want to do that. And then we just need to put your correct details here, contact details. And with the payment method, if you want to pay using credit card, again, Visa, MasterCard, Amex, FPOS, Union Pay, and JCB, it's all available right here. And then you put your credit card details here. For the billing address, you just need to put your details here and your mobile number, and then you click on Pay Now. Once you complete the payment, you will get a notification that the order was successful. Okay, and then what will happen is that you will personally receive an email from me, or I will also connect with you on Facebook. So what you can do as well is you can connect with me on Facebook. This is my Facebook page. The link is in the description, so you can connect with me on Facebook. But either way, once you complete the order, I will personally reach out to you. So you will receive an email from me, so I can confirm that we have received your order, and you can email me back and give me your affiliate link or your lead capture page link. Once you do that, once you reply to my email, this is exactly what will happen. So once the campaign is live, so again, I already have the existing campaigns on these 3 platforms, right? So we have the Google Ads, the Facebook Ads, and the YouTube Ads. So depending on which package do you purchase, let's say if you purchase the Google Ads, basically this is what will happen. So the Google Ads traffic will go to the existing pre-sale page and the done for you follow-up emails. And then what we're going to do is once that traffic goes to that page, the next step is that it will automatically go to your affiliate link. Okay, now if you have a lead capture page link, then we will send the Google Ads traffic to your lead capture page link, and then it goes to your affiliate link. And we also have the done for you follow-up emails, which will take people back to your affiliate link. And then whenever people purchase using your link, then that's how you will make that commission. So really simple, really straightforward. So that's why I created this traffic agency specifically for my students and team members. And now you have the opportunity to basically just buy the traffic. Really easy. All you have to do is go to this website. The link is in the description of the video, and then order the traffic package. Once you order the traffic package, all you have to do is message me on Facebook and give me your link, or either way, I will send you an email, and then you can email me your link or your lead capture page link. Okay, and then once the campaign is live, basically what will happen is that traffic will go to your affiliate link, and you should start getting the sales and the commissions because you're using the exact traffic source that I'm using, which are Google Ads, YouTube Ads, and Meta Ads. So I hope that you like this video, guys, and if you like this video, make sure that you give this video a like or a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, put them in the comment section below and I will answer them. You can also message me on my Facebook page, and I'm more than happy to answer any questions you may have. Otherwise, all the links are in the description of the video, so you can check out the Affiliate Marketing Traffic Agency. And I look forward to connecting with you on Facebook. And most importantly, I look forward to seeing your results when you start getting all these big commissions with affiliate marketing. So you can do this, you can use this with any affiliate marketing campaign as long as it's in the Make Money Online. And you can use this with ClickBank, JVSU, Warrior Plus, or Digistore24, or any affiliate offer as long as it's in the Make Money Online niche. So thank you for watching, guys. All the links are in the description of the video, and I wish you all the best and God bless.